Sagot mo. Ay, pagbawsing katawa. Masugot mo. Honest yun mo. Muna, layo pa yun sa pag-isanto. Muna, masantos mo, 15 tuganya, kaya nga naman, kung sa points man eh, kining atong gagawin, 0.5.
We've been practicing and doing it today. So number one, first four, adoration. Wow, we do praise and worship. We adore you, O Lord. Holy, you're the mighty one. Just about worshiping the Lord. Thanksgiving, we also do the Thanksgiving prayer. The supplication, no? Petition. We need and ask. Now, these are the objectives of our sharing this evening. In relation to meditative prayer. So what is meditative prayer? And then the guide to meditative prayer. First is prepare for stillness. Embrace God's presence as an assurance. So during the baptism of the Holy Spirit, we have that, no? So, prayer of deliverance. That's another prayer. 8, consecration. Consecration means offering stillness. So how do we keep still in the midst of chaos, in the midst of noises, no? Okay, every day we have busy lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we sleep, we hear a lot of noises, no? From at home and even at the office, even in riding a bus or driving. So how do we cultivate inner peace?